Hello everybody, I am Rosa Joana Sanchez Ramon. I am a student of degree in English as a foreign language and I am in the Materials Design for Virtual Environments course in National Open and Distance University. In this opportunity, I want to share with you the development of my final assignment about how integrate 2.0 activities in a linguist class. I want to develop this activity using Prezi tools to show the lessons of simple past tense. Okay, we'll come and continue. Warm up. First, check in the PDF file the list to learn irregular verbs. You can follow in this link and to check the list of irregular verbs in infinitive, in past simple, in past participle, and the meaning of irregular verbs. Okay, let's continue. The second activity, do the practical exercise visiting this website. Okay, let's continue. Okay, when you find the website, you can change the verb into the past simple in the sentences and check the answer. Okay, let's continue. The presentation about the topic. I do the explanation of structured grammar of simple past tense. Okay, the spelling rulers of regular verbs. Okay, let's begin. Ending in E, add D. For example, in the words live, lift, start. When the simple past tense regular verbs ending in vowel plus y add ed. For example, in the word stay, state, play, played. When the regular verbs ending in consonant plus y, change y to I and add ed. For example, in the words try, change for tried, carry for carried. When one syllable, single vowel and ending in single consonant, double the final consonant and add ed. For example, not, nodded, read, repeat. And finally, when two syllable stress and second syllable and ending in single consonant, double the final consonant and add ed. For example, commit, committed, prefer, preferred. Okay, let's continue. The main rule to form positive sentences is subject plus irregular verb plus complement. For example, in the sentences, she bought an old car. She is the subject, bought is the irregular verb, and old car is the complement, is the past of irregular verb. Okay, let's continue. Another ruler to form negative sentences is subject plus negative contractions of verb to be in past plus complement. For example, she wasn't in the office. She is the subject, wasn't is the negative contractions of verb to be in past. In the office is the complement. Okay. We weren't at home. We is the subject. Weren't is the negative contractions of verb to be in past. At home is the complement. Okay, let's continue. Following the exercise online is choose the correct past simple verb to fill the gap in each sentences. The student can practice the verbs, the irregular verbs, filling in the gap and search the learning. Okay, let's continue. Exercise 2. The students complete the sentences using past simple form on the verb in brackets. They can write the verb in past and complete the sentences. And they can check the scores and the level of the lesson. Okay, let's continue. The production. The students write sentences in simple past tense about their last vacation, taking account the structure grammar learned. Following the assessment. The student tests the knowledge on the simple past after submitting your answer, and they can see how well have done in the test. Following this link, they can find an online test to practice and submit the score and the level of the lesson learned. Okay, that is all for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.